This video is about entering a measurement device for your water right. If you need to enter a measurement device for one of your water rights, you need to, after you've logged in, navigate to your My Measurement Details screen. Here you can see a summary of all devices related to your system. If you have previously registered a device using an annual report in our previous system, it will show up here. You can also see drafts if you have started a new device registration. In this case, I am entering a new device. I'm going to ask you about the type of device that you have. Note that there is an option for other, which will let you enter the specific other type that is not listed here. In this case, I'm going to report that I have a flume. Again, you can select who was the maker of the device, and there is an other option here. It will ask you about the model. And also to give this device a nickname. The connection type applies to what kind of data recording device is connected to your recorder. This may not apply to all devices. This question asks what specific type of measurement your device is measuring. We'll also ask you to enter the approximate date that it was installed. We'll also talk about or ask you to select what type of conversion method you use related to this device. Including the estimated accuracy. We'll also ask you to describe how it was calibrated. In the last section, it will ask you how frequently that data is recorded. Including aggregation questions. You are free to add any other information that helps provide data about your report. Lastly, they'll ask you to input contact information about the qualified individual if a qualified individual is required. You can do this by clicking Add and searching for this person. It will first ask if that contact belongs to an organization. Note that you can add yourself as the qualified individual if that applies. Also note that if you're adding someone that exists in the system and you are not seeing specifications about the qualifications for license numbers, you can select yes here to provide more information. That qualified individual will now appear related to this measurement device. We'll also ask information about any recording devices related or methods related to your measurement device. If it is different, you can click here and provide other information if it is. If not, it's assuming that your recording device is also your measurement device. As the person filling out this form, it is asking your relationship. In this case, I have already made myself the qualified measurement individual, and that has been pre-filled. You can also Select that you are the device operator or the device owner. It'll also ask you to associate which water right this device records for. In this case, I'm going to add it for the same water right that I am filing an annual report for. When you have searched, and it will show any validated water rights below, you just need to click on this box and select Next. On this screen, it does ask you to provide the location where this measurement device exists. You need to scroll in to the screen to be able to provide this information. It will also require you to name this point of measurement. When you have finished adding that location, click Next. If you need to upload any files in reference to your measurement device, you may do so here. You're not required to upload any files. This will give you a summary of all information you have just provided. Click Next to continue to sign and submit this measurement device. It'll ask you to type your name exactly as you have registered it in the system. At this point, your device has been successfully submitted.